They are also very strong, being able to lift a load around 850 times heavier than their own weight. Goliath beetles can be found in many of Africa's tropical forests, where they feed primarily on tree sap and fruit. The adults live about 3 months. Goliath beetles measure from 60 to 110 mm, 2.4 to 4.3 in, for males and 50 to 80 mm, 2.0 to 3.1 in, for females. Adults can reach weights of up to 80 to 100 grams, 2.8 to 3.5 ounces. They reach about 100 grams of weight and are around 5 inches in length. Chinese giant salamanders are the largest amphibians in the world. Chinese giant salamanders are nocturnal. They live in muddy river bottoms and hide in rock crevices. Possessing poor eyesight, they prey on fish, insects and snails using smell and touch. Overexploitation is the major threat driving Chinese giant salamanders towards extinction. They are captured as a delicacy. Their habitats are also destroyed by pollution, as well as dams, which alter the flow of water. Deforestation has caused excess soil to silt up rivers. Since the 1960s, the population of Chinese giant salamanders has experienced a drastic decline of over 80%. Habitat: the Chinese giant salamander is endemic to rocky mountain rivers and large streams in China. They live for about 5 to 6 years. These giants measure 2 meters and weigh about 25 to 30 kilograms. Importance: the Chinese giant salamander is a flagship species for China's freshwater river systems. Efforts to conserve it will play a vital role protecting the region's habitats and biodiversity, as well as freshwater resources for the people of China. Reproduction: the Chinese giant salamander lives and breeds in large hill streams, normally in forested areas. Females lay approximately 500 eggs in a string, in an underwater cavity that is occupied by a male. External fertilization of the eggs occurs by a guarding male, which then hatch after 50 to 60 days. They are large flightless birds of Africa, who lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. With the ability to run at 70 km per hour, 43.5 miles per hour, they are the fastest birds on land. It is farmed worldwide, particularly for its feathers, as they are used as decoration and feather dusters. Its skin is also used for leather products. Today ostriches are only found natively in the wild in Africa. Feeding habit: ostriches typically eat plants, roots, and seeds, but will also eat insects, lizards. They have a massive height of 1.7 to 2.8 meters and weigh about 100 to 120 kilograms. They have a wingspan of 2 whole meters. My goodness! Predators: cheetahs, lions, leopards, African hunting dogs, and spotted hyenas. They don't have teeth and can survive without water for days, as they can make their own water internally and extract the rest from the vegetation they eat. Average lifespan in the wild: 70 years. They are carnivore and usually eat everything on which they can plunge their teeth. They have a size of 17 feet and weigh 1,000 pounds. Specimens 23 feet long and weighing 2,200 pounds are not uncommon. food. They'll feed on anything they can get their jaws on, including water buffalo, monkeys, wild boar, and even sharks. Habitat: Eastern India, Southeast Asia, and Northern Australia. Salties are considered at low risk for extinction. The whale shark is a slow-moving, filter-feeding carpet shark, and the largest known extant fish species. The largest confirmed individual had a length of 18.8 meters. The whale shark holds many records for size in the animal kingdom, most notably being by far the largest living non-mammalian vertebrate. Habitat: Whale sharks have a broad distribution in tropical and warm temperate seas, usually between latitudes 30 degrees north and 35 degrees south. They are known to inhabit both deep and shallow coastal waters, and the lagoons of coral atolls and reefs. Australia is one of the most reliable locations to find whale sharks. They have a size mass of 19,000 kilograms, and are about 5.5 to 10 meters long. They have an average lifespan of 100 years. Diet: The largest fish in the world is the graceful, harmless whale shark. Though they reach the size of a school bus, whale sharks eat tiny plankton and fish eggs, which they filter feed as they swim slowly, along with their giant mouths wide open. They are one of only 3 species of filter-feeding sharks. Predators: Although adult whale sharks don't have much to fear from predators, juveniles and old or sick whale sharks are preyed upon by a variety of fish, including sharks and blue marlins. They are also vulnerable to predators such as killer whales, and humans also hunt them in some areas of the world. Guys, I wanted to post this in one part, but as I didn't verify my phone number, YouTube is not letting me upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So, I had to break it up.